Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how you can replace Tecno LC6 touchpad. Yeah, so the touchpad is not really working fine. So you see it has a lot of crack, and the usual customer want to change the touchpad. So let's do the process. So please remember to subscribe if you are new. You need an heater. Yes, you need an heat lamp, or you can use a foil. Yes, a foil. So the foil and the gum, you'll be able to separate the gum from the touchpad from the screen. So let's get to business. And you also need this flat stuff like this, so you'll be able to separate it. So let's jump into the separation. Yeah, it's just hit closely, as you can see, closely, just hit. And next thing is for you to choke this nicely. You can see it. Hope you can see it. It's entered. It nicely lifts it up, because the heater has helped me to separate this already. So nicely fizz this in. Hope you can see it. So nicely. Alright, so you take it nicely to this point. Yes, nicely. See it now. Nicely to this point. So when you get to this place, be careful. So now you successfully separate it now. So the next thing now is just for you to take razor. Take a razor, neatly come to this very place, gently just try to chip this out, but be very careful. This might end the life of the screen. Though on the nose, before we start fixing any touchpad, we usually tell the customer that it's 50-50, that anything can happen to the screen during the process. But still on that, we try to maintain a safe operation service. So alright, so you think there's a gum underneath that is still holding the screen. You can see it. So it's going gently. Just throw this under and see it. So succeeded. The next thing, just to see it now. So this is full panel. But before you remove it, make sure you lose the bar and unclip. Yes, unclip. So you just push it out and you're good to go. See it? It's out already. So the next thing is for you to solder this. Just apply a little paste. Now you use your solder iron to neatly unsolder the see, it's out already. See it? The next thing is for us to is out. So this is the touchpad. So this is the full screen and the touchpad out. So you just move the touchpad. Use your solder iron to keep here neat. You see? Yeah, so just make sure the layer is neat so that the new one can fit in perfectly. So this is the end result after successfully changing the touchpad. So you can see it's working fine. So it is working fine. You can see it. So this is just the end result of that phone. See, everything is touching fine. So the rubber ring is still on it. So still waiting for it to dry. You can wait for up to 18 minutes. Yes. Sit. This is it. So guys, remember to subscribe, share. For more information, remember to chat me on WhatsApp on 08134325570. I'm ready to give any assistance you need. Watch out for more videos on Bifa Tech. Stay blessed, guys.